Cotton pygmy goose Netopus coromandelians. Common names: cotton pygmy goose, cotton teal, Indian pygmy goose. Size: 26-30 cm, smallest of Indian ducks. Weight: 160 to 50 grams. Wingspan: approx. 40-50 cm. Lifespan: up to 10 to 12 years in the wild. Least concern LC. Habitat: freshwater lakes, ponds, marshes. Distribution: India, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Australia. Diet: aquatic vegetation, seeds, insects. Nesting: tree hollows near water. Breeding season: July to September, monsoon in India. Clutch size: 6-12 eggs. Behavior: gregarious, fast flyer, often seen in pairs. Special adaptations: can perch on trees, rare for ducks. Strong flyer, capable of quick takeoff. Prefers quiet freshwater bodies with floating vegetation. Cotton pygmy goose. Key reproductive details. Characteristic details: lifespan: up to 10 to 12 years in the wild. Clutch size: typically 6 to 12 eggs per clutch. Appearance: gender. Description: male. Bright white head, dark green back, white belly, black markings on wings. Female: duller, more brownish with white facial stripe and mottled underparts. Both: short bill, rounded head, small body size.